Hey, Cheney Encore people, Jeff Nold here. Want to get you guys into a group on Outlook so that way you can send an email real fast if you need to send it to the entire Encore group. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm in Outlook, which is the app version down here, not the online version. I don't know how to do that on the online version, but I'm going to show you the Outlook app, which again, if you just search for Outlook, if you don't have that pinned to your taskbar, this is how you would get to the group. That'll be Cheney Encore. Over on this left side, if you scroll down, you see I have a bunch of folders open. So I'm going to close some of those, but you have a folder here called Groups. I have Cheney Encore here. Um, right now, there's nothing in here. This will be just for us. So if you're not in there, and right now the Cheney Encore group, I can't see the members. I'll show you how to do that later, but or I won't show you, but I can show you any other time. But if you don't have those, what you can do is you can click on More, and you can. I'm sorry, maybe it was right click on Groups, and then you can browse groups. What you would then do is type in Cheney Encore, and for me, because I'm already in the group, I'm already in here, so I'm already as joined. Let's see what happens when I click view. Oh, it's just going to take me back here. But anyways, this would be a one-stop shop instead of having to remember who's all on here like we're doing with our email list. So I'm going to kind of leave it to you guys to sign up, and that way if people want to opt out like Dara did here, you definitely can. But it also will keep track of all of our conversations and everything. So um, hope this video helps you. Please sign up because that's how I'm going to try to communicate for a site-based leadership team is based off of that Cheney Encore group. So I hope I'm not throwing too much on you. If you have any other questions, stop in and see me or shoot me an email back and I'll help you out. Thank you.